Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about avoiding damage to your floor covering from abatement chemicals. Before you start any flooring installation in an older building, you always need to know what type of floor covering was previously installed on the floor, what type of adhesive was down, and how the old adhesive was removed. Adhesive removers and abatement chemicals can contaminate the substrate and attack the new adhesive and even the flooring. The most common types of abatement chemicals we run into are petroleum, soy, and citrus-based. Remember, if it'll dissolve an asphalt-based adhesive, like a cutback adhesive, then it will easily attack the new flooring assembly. After these products have contaminated the substrate, they can require extreme measures such as grinding or shot blasting before you can install a new floor covering. So that's why you need to know exactly what was down and if any abatement chemical or adhesive remover was reused. And remember, at Taylor, we're with you every step.